What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. In this video, I want to show you my OLSP system commission proof for 2024 and how, you can guarantee, we're guaranteed to earn OLSP commissions in 48 hours. Now, I want you to understand it does take a little longer, but that's what's on the sale page. But we do have people, newbies such as yourself. If you are a newbie, if you're looking to earn some commissions online with the OLSP system, this does work, and I'm going to show you proof in the video that this worked, because if you look right here, you're going to see where I've earned over $2,000 with this system. Those commissions are one-time sales, they are residual incomes, and they are two-tier commissions as well. Very seldom do you find an affiliate program that has two-tier commissions where you're actually making sales even if you're not working. And that's one of the things that I love about the OLSP system. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you proof that this works. And I just want you to keep in mind that this could work for you if you are willing to do what you have to do in order to succeed with this. And if you need any help, my contact information will be above or below this video. Just reach out to me and I'll be glad to help you. So with that being said, let's go ahead on and get into this right now, and I will see you in the lower frame in just a second. All right, so here we are in my back office of my OLSP system. If you look to the right, you'll see that I've earned $2,341.44. If you look below, you'll see that 833 people have been paid in the last 48 hours. Okay, so it works if you're willing to put in the work. Also, I'm going to show you one of the ways that I'm able to earn commission. We are able to earn commission, and that's with the Comment Dominator Pro. And if I access this product, you'll see I've earned $6.25 with it. I know it's not a lot, but it is commission by simply making posts or commenting on posts on Facebook. So that's one of the ways that I earn a commission with this as well. So if I come over here to commissions, and if I click on commissions, you see the same thing, $2,341.44. My withdrawal balance is $851.99. I don't have any pending withdrawals simply because I have not withdrawn anything yet. I'm letting this get up to a certain amount before I make a withdrawal. Okay, so if you look over here, you see I've earned two tier commissions, tier one, all of that, $14, $18, $49.50. Okay, if I kind of scroll down a little bit, you're going to see refund here. The person that refunded, they didn't actually refund. What they did was they upgraded to a higher level. So instead of paying monthly here for the Mega Builders Monthly and the Mega Messenger, instead of paying monthly here, what they did was they upgraded right here, $498.50 that I earned from them. So therefore, it was refunded here. Okay, so that's what happens on that. So, and then don't misunderstand me. There are people who will refund on a simple $7 product, but I haven't had that done in this system often. Okay, but it has happened. So you see the commission that you can earn right here, and that's just one of the ways that you can earn. So what am I doing, that's guaranteeing me ways to earn commission with the OLSP system? One of the things that I'm doing are YouTube videos. As you see right here, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 YouTube videos, getting views over here, comments over here, people asking questions. This is my 11th video that I'm going to do on OLSP, and I may have some others in here that not necessarily mentioning OLSP, but this is the very first video that I did down here. So this is one of the things that can help me, guarantee that I earn commission in OLSP. Now, I want you to understand that although I'm creating YouTube videos, that doesn't guarantee me people are going to join me, but I'm putting out content that guarantees me that people are seeing the opportunity, and it guarantees them a chance to join, which guarantees me an opportunity to earn an income if they see the value in this and if this is something that they want to do. Okay. So this is one of the ways that I'm earning commissions or putting out content to earn commission with OLSP. Okay, YouTube video. Another thing that I'm doing on my YouTube, on my Facebook profile, I put my link here to my mega funnel system, to my mega builder. When someone comes over here and they see a post, okay, they follow me, they click this link, it's going to take them to this page right here. And when you click the link in the description, it's going to take you to that page as well. So it's going to take them to this page right here, and they can have the opportunity to join. I make posts on Facebook. I'm getting better at doing that now, you know, posting about, you know, thanking people, me preaching, my daughter's birthday, just, you know, wishing everybody a blessed and peaceful Friday, showing some proof that I'm earning in OLSP, 40 comments, you know, other posts with me going on vacation and just looking out, you know, amongst the water. Okay. Some motivational things for people, other trainings that I've been on. So this is what I'm doing on Facebook as well. So let me show you another way. And what I'm doing here, I want you to understand that when someone comes to this page and they click this button, they are going to set up a free system, a free account, okay, enter their name and email. And what happens is OLSP does all of the emailing for you. You do not have to, but they recommend that you do it to introduce yourself, and you'll send personal email. But OLSP does all this for you. Once someone entered their information in here, they are creating a free account, okay? When they create that free account, they go into your leads section over here. And if I click on leads, you'll be able to see all of the leads right here, okay? So and then you'll see your customers as well, all of the people who have bought from you. So you're going to be able to see all of that information. So YouTube videos, Facebook is another way. You can do TikTok, you can do Instagram, whatever, you know, suits you. Now, let me show you another thing that I'm doing, because I'm building my email list. As I said, when someone puts in their information here, they go into my email list. So let me show you that right now. Okay, now as I said, when someone enters their information, their name and email here, these are required. They have to tick this button, you know, because we don't want fake emails, fake names and all of that stuff. And it could still happen, okay? But we're trying to prevent as many fake information getting on our list as well. So what happens is when someone enters their information here, such as when you do it, you're going to be put on my email list, okay? In my contact section here, okay? OLSP gives you all of the funnels that you need. Inside of this one funnel here are 11 funnels, okay? Inside of the Mega Link Side Hustle funnel squeeze page, there are 16 funnels. Inside of the Magic Link list building, okay, there are 11 funnels. Now let's talk about, you know, another way, because you're building your email list, and that's the other way you're building your email list, okay? So what I have done, okay, if you come back over here, we have something called List Building Magic Link. Access that product. And up here in the right-hand corner, I'm going to highlight it. This is your magic link. And what you can do with that magic link is when someone clicks on this link, okay, you're going to earn 30 cents. 30 cents. I earn 30 cents every time someone clicks on this link. But you have to use the traffic inside of OLSP. Okay. And so what I've done is, if I come over here to my own funnels, and if I click on almost done, okay, this is the funnel, okay, that has my let me go back. Maybe I made them. Let me see here. Let's go here. Yeah, that's the one. Richard. Okay, almost done. I go to the bridge page. Okay, almost done. This is the mega funnel. This is what I've set up. So when I go here, when someone clicks on this, it has my mega link. Okay, anytime someone put in their information, click on this button, I'm going to earn 30 cents. Remember, it has to come from traffic from OLSP, but I earn 30 cents. Okay, if I come back over here again, this bridge page, okay, this bridge page is what I put inside of my emails. Okay, in my emails, whenever someone clicks on this link here, okay, I'm going to earn a commission. Let me show you that page as well. Let me kind of swap them around a little bit, because this page does not go to this page. This page is going to, when someone enters the information, they're going to see something. Okay, I don't care what it is. This is for building a cold email list. I don't care what they see. Whatever they see, if they purchase, I earn a commission. Okay, so they're going to click here and it's going to take them somewhere. This page I put inside of my emails. Whenever someone clicks on this button right here, okay, I earn a commission. If the same person clicks on this button right here, okay, over and over and over again, I earn a commission from that person as many times that they click that button. So there's a specific way that you have to set it up according to here. Now, once I get this page here, I'm almost done. This page right here, I take this link, okay, and I come over here and I purchase traffic. But let me go back, because it tells you that in this access, get traffic. This video is going to walk you through the getting traffic. So I'm going to come over here. If you see, I have it pending right now. Some are completed. As many times as people click on this link from going to this page, and then this link or this button that's within my emails that I'm sending out, I'm going to earn over and over again. I've got traffic pending to run to this, which I ordered through OLSP. I ordered 100 clicks for $90 through here. And also another way that you can earn is you get your affiliate link for traffic here, because you saw in the previous over here where I said commissions. If I go to my commissions, you'll see someone purchase 100 clicks here and 100 clicks here. So you earn from people purchasing traffic within your system as well. So the best way for you to get started right now, okay, if you want to be able to share proof of you earning commission with OLSP system, is simply click the button down, click the link below in this video, come to this page right here, read this page, watch the information, look at the videos, you know, on here, read the proof, click this button, get started now, set up your free account. Once you set up your free account, then you're able to go through these 2 free trainings right here and get started. So I highly recommend that you click the link below in this video to get started today. As you see, the proof is here that it works. But the problem is, or the question is, are you willing to put it to work? If you have any question needing help, feel free to reach out to me. We can set up a Zoom meeting, or, you know, I'm good on Mondays. I'm good in the afternoons, you know, to set up a meeting with you and walk you through the process to help you get going in the right direction. I don't have any bonuses for you, but my bonus is to get with you one-on-one to help you get up and going. So if you're looking to join OLSP, go ahead and click the link in the description. Make sure you like this video, share this video with someone you know who may be looking at the OLSP system, and leave me a comment below. Make sure you subscribe as well to the channel so you'll see other videos that I'm doing. So I hope that this helped you out to make a firm decision whether or not you're going to join or not. I look forward to working with you, and click the link in the description. Have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.